how are you doing today, guys? I hope you feel just fine. And today we'll be checking out the Air project. Join the Free Air public token presale. The Free Air team is a perfect mix of experienced strategists and young and progressive minds from the telecom, IT, and blockchain industry. And here you can purchase a Free Air now. And here on the homepage, as you can see, we have they buy tokens, follow them on Twitter and of course on Telegram. So yeah, here we have the token, a pre-sale, Free Air token, company, community, a giveaway, and of course purchase tokens. So yeah, let's move on to the information about that project. Bringing affordable high-speed internet to millions of users in Africa. Free Air delivers fiber optics grade broadband internet, digital TV, and IP telephone to the underconnected people and businesses in developing countries. Yeah, it's really nice. Imagine being a first mover in the broadband telecom industry 30 years ago. Internet users in developing African countries use mobile internet for communication and work. These connections are often expensive, limited in bandwidth, and slow. So yeah. And here we have the information that with Free Air, millions of people and businesses in Africa cities will have access to high-speed internet. Digital work, banking, education, health, and entertainment solutions are accessible immediately. Yeah, it's really nice. And here we have the solution. Which is a new proprietary technology allowing for optics-grade connectivity, provides up to 1 Gbps dedicated internet connectivity, over 150 digital TV stations, and IP telephony simply through air. Each base station service users in up to a 500 km radius. Yeah, and here we have the platform and token, the information about that. Free Air blockchain-based platform will allow easy access to digital services, identity management, payments, and credit line building. The Free Air token is built on the Cardano blockchain. It has a limited supply with integrated mechanism that make it possible for token buyback and token burning. Yeah, and here we have of course stocking and rewards earn and the yearly rewards. Here you can read the white paper where you can find more information about the project. And they think the earliest supporters should be additionally rewarded. They have secured 10% of the total supply for the tokens in a stocking pool that will be distributed to the participating token holders. Early adopters will have the benefit of having greater stocking rewards, as with more adoption, the rewards will be spread out to more users. They have also set aside funds for airdrops that will be released a few months into the future of the project. Yeah, and here we have the Free Air partners. The Free Air has acquired major partnerships relevant to its product, and here we have the partnerships: CV Labs Global, Key Free Telecom, and CV Labs Dubai. It's really interesting, yeah. And here you can purchase a Free Air now. Of course, the public presale for Free Air is open, yeah. And let's check the current status, and here have the private round 3. Of course, the price is $0.05. The minimum ticket is $50,000. The maximum ticket is $750,000, and the status is of course open. Of course, you have to read the white paper for more information. You have to stay informed by giving your email address and signing up, of course, and you can check your newsletter. Yeah, and here we have they plan to launch the Free Air token in December 2021. Information on listing will be provided before the launch. All tokens releases are governed by smart contracts, and you will be able to claim their tokens through a provided app to your whitelist ADA wallet. Please ensure you have the full custody of that wallet. The recommend Euro wallet. Yeah, here we have the following countries or regions are included in participating in the public sale: USA, China, Afghanistan, Syria, Cuba, Libya, and of course more, as we can see. And here we have the public destruction terms and conditions. Before participating, you have to check that, of course. Here we have the total tokens. 1% is of course 100%. The price is $0.0519, and the rise is $60.6 million. Yeah. And here we have the more information about the round 1, round 2, and round 3, of course. Oh yeah, let's move on here. There we have information that there will be a total of 140 million tokens in circulation at token launch, translating to a market cap for $6.84 million at the ADO price. Yeah, entering huge updated markets of Africa and covering them with infrastructure, they expect the free air customers to grow rapidly, reaching over 400,000 by 2026. This would translate to roughly $20 million in yearly revenues and project valuation of over $3 billion. Yeah, it's really huge numbers. And here you have the real total users, the charts. You can see that, of course. And here we have the community which you can join. Of course, you have to do that if you want new the earliest informations, for example Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and of course Discord. And here we have the of course every step which I have read. So yeah, and you have to join the newsletter, of course, and they subscribe them. Yeah, I think this is all about that project. Thank you so much for watching that video. Of course, let me know what do you think about that. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor and that content is only for educational purposes. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!